Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Oindrila Roy and I hope you all are doing well. Today's speaker card reading is going to be about 3 months from now. Also, let me mention that this is a timeless tarot, so whenever you find this reading, it's going to give you a prediction from 3 months from the given time. So we have with us 3 shells. I'm going to give a quick little close up of the 3 shells. So this is the first one. This is the second one, and this is the third one. If required, pause the video and choose the one that you think you're most drawn to, and below in the description box I'll link the timestamp so that you can directly jump and see your reading. So let's get started. Hi pile 1. So this reading is going to be for the ones who have chosen this shell. So let's get started. So we have the set of tarot cards for you all. So let's see what it has in store for you. Let's begin with the first one. Well, this card doesn't feed the aesthetic, that's true, but I promise you whatever is there in this card holds some proper meaning. So what we have is the art of life is to live in the moment. So what I can see is, guys, the universe is asking you to find joy in the little moment. So it's asking you to enjoy life and not worry much about long-term goals or anything. I mean, it's okay to have long-term goals. I mean, it's a necessity, of course, but sometimes it is important to, even enjoy the journey, enjoy where you are at, to be grateful for what you already have. So this is what the universe is asking you to do. So let's see the tarot cards for you. I hope we can find some more meaning to this which are going to come. So we have the first 3 tarot cards, which is going to talk about the 3 months for you all. So we have with us the 3 cards. Let me arrange. So we have with us the 3 cards. The 3 cards are only in reversal, but it's fine. So the first energy that I'm picking up from this tarot cards are, there is going to be kind of a standstill moment in your life. I mean, it's not something bad, but a bit of pause that is going to come in your life. I mean, maybe things are not going as fast paced as you're expecting it to be. It's kind of that pause button that you put while you're listening to the music, and it just pauses for a while. So that is the kind of energy that I'm picking up. So let's go in details about the 3 months. So the first 3 months, what we have is the Magician in reversal. So what it is saying you all is to watch out for the things that you're wishing for. What I feel is, for pile number 1, you have to be very careful for what you wish for, because everything that we get in life are the product of what we are manifesting consciously or subconsciously. So look out for what you're wishing for. I'll give you a small example. Like, let's say you wish to have a car for yourself. It might be a very stupid example, but just so that y'all can understand what exactly I'm trying to say. So let's say you are wishing for a car and you get the car, but you are not that well off that you can afford to fuel the car on time, or take it for servicing, or go for the repairing. So the thing is that you get the car, but what is necessity to maintain it, to keep it with you, are the things that you don't have with you. That is the sufficient tools that is required, that is not there for you. So what universe wants to say is, in the coming first month from now, what I feel is it's going to be a time for self-realization. It's the time when you have to work yourself instead of wishing or praying for your dreams. I mean, it's fine you have a goal, but I think it's time for you to work. Universe is there, it's going to look after whatever you wish for. This card, this Magician, is one of the most positive card in the deck, and it's coming in reversal shows that it still has the energy to, to manifest whatever you wanted or whatever you're dreaming for. But before that, you have to make sure that you do your part. So this coming 1 month, it's going to be a time when you realize that it's that you also have to work on yourself. You can't just dream and just let it be, or maybe whatever you were doing right now, those were not aligned to what you wish for. Right, for example, you want to be an engineer, but you are studying subjects which do not contribute to the engineering studies that you want to pursue for, right? So that is something. And see, there are two energies which I'm picking up. For few of you, the people are going to realize it, and for the few of you, you might learn it in a very harsh way. I mean, something, I'm not saying that some bad or something is going to happen. Of course not. There is nothing known as bad. It's all, like aligning to the path. So I think this 1 month, what I'm hearing is it's time for big self work. Take your time, put your life at a pause. It's fine if your dreams is getting delayed for 2 to 3 months. It's fine, as long as you're achieving it in the right way, because only your dreams would be long lasting when you achieve it in the right way. So moving to the second card, that is the second month from now, what I hear for you all and the energy that I'm picking up is there is going to be some person in your life who is going to, instigate self-doubt in you. You might think that whatever you're doing is right or not, might make you question on your passion or the things that you want to do in life. So watch out for those people. Don't give in to those people. And also for few of y'all who still haven't walked on the first month, it might come from within also, right? Y'all might start questioning yourself, start questioning the dreams that you have, maybe a self-worth issues. So here this card is coming to play. The art of life is to live in the moment. It's fine to live in the moment and enjoy and do the little steps that is required than crying over the big thing. I mean, each step you take takes you to that place. Okay, so it's time for you. So I think this 2 months or this 3 months, whatever it is, it's time for you all. It's like the big energy that I see. It's a very self-work kind of an energy. It's where you have to work on yourself. Also, in the third month, I see you people are walking, you people are doing a lot of things which are aligned to your path, which are aligned to your goal, and you guys are doing it alone. You all are not taking anyone's help. You all are finally realizing this 3 of Pentacles at the end of this 3 months is very, very, very positive. It's showing that you have finally achieved what you were looking to achieve and you're working for yourself. And if it's not career wise, maybe if you take it in relationship wise, or maybe a simple thing that you were wanting to do. For example, you were thinking about traveling, which were not working. Like, you realize at the end of the 3 months, why was it not working? What all things needed to be worked at? And even if you're asking for a love interest or something, maybe you will like, I'm trying so hard, we are connecting so well, but then what is going wrong? Why is that person not coming, or why is this relationship not turning to the way it is supposed to turn? Maybe it is because you realize that there was something which you were missing out, something which you weren't considering, which should have been considered for the good. If it's like, you see that, yeah, if something had to worked upon, you guys are working upon, or if you are seeing that no, this is the thing which might create an issue, you people are moving or walking away from it. So the first 3 months, the coming 3 months, it's going to be a time, it's like a time of your life, that standstill moment in the life when you're just doing nothing, nothing, just being yourself, just enjoying yourself, just enjoying the moment. I'm sorry, that's a notification that came. I'm sorry, I forgot to turn off the internet. Anyway, let's pull out one card. which is specifically going to be about your relationship in the coming 3 months, and another card which is going to talk about your career in the coming 3 months. So for the relationship we have is Knight of Pentacles, which is quite interesting because this is a clear message for majority of you who have who have chosen this file. It's of course someone is coming into your life, someone who is very practical, very disciplined. It's kind of giving me those obviously Pentacles are earth sign, but this is giving me a heavy Capricorn energy. I don't know, I just keep hearing Capricorn. So if you all have any Capricorn on your mind, or if you yourself is a Capricorn, this might be a big time affirmation for you all. So I see someone coming to you, offering their love for you, and this is not going to be kind of a relationship which is on cloud 9, which has no relation with the reality. This is the kind of relationship which has potential to grow into a very strong potential in the future, a kind of relationship which you consider having a family with in the future, not like this silly or childlike relationships. And from few of you, it's going to be for the ones who are already in relationship, and or this like who are thinking like, dude, I don't have anyone in my life. For them, yeah, there is a possibility someone is coming to your life, and it can be a earth sign. Okay, it can be anything. And for few of you, it might be you offering yourself that confidence, that self-love, that self-worth. Also, yeah, one thing which I forgot to mention, this person is going to be very appreciative of you. This person is going to be feeling very grateful to have you in your life. And for the rest, it's going to be you realizing finally your self-worth and being very, very, very happy. This yellow color, it's like giving me that energy where it's very sunny and childlike, where you are very innocent about yourself. You just know nothing but love yourself. And for the career, what we have is the King of Swords. What I feel is there is going to be some sort of communication thing that is going on. I think for a few of you, it's important for you to be very communicative when it comes to your career. Do not keep thoughts in your mind. I think you people are having ideas and a lot of things, but you're afraid of pitching it, or you're afraid like, what if it doesn't work out, or what if it doesn't go that way. So it's time for you to not give in to any negative thought or any negative rumor, or do not indulge into any sort of negativity. Just know your worth, what your worth is, and work on it. Okay. And for the students and all, I think there can be some sort of evolution or somewhere which might not go as you expect it to go. So for them, it's not the end of your life. Okay, it's just an evolution or something which is very temporary. It doesn't define your worth. Or if a teacher says you that you're not good enough or anything, don't give in to all those. Instead, like I mentioned in the first 3 cards, instead reconsider, work on yourself. It's fine to have a little bit of failure sometimes in life. It just takes you to a better place. Sounds philosophy, but it's very true. So let's see the next 2 cards we have. So the first card we have is Flight, which is let your creative imagination fly, which is very, it's self-explanatory. Like, don't be worried. Let your wildest of wildest imagination free. Think. You're free to think whatever you feel like thinking. You're free to do whatever you want to do. Don't give in to anyone. Just know that you are sufficient, you are enough, and this is an affirmation to you. This phase that you are going to enter, it's kind of like the calm before the storm, and this is a good storm, the storm that is going to change your life, the storm that is going to take you to a place which you always wanted to go. Okay. And the next card is Seeking Good. Look for good in the current situation, which pretty much resonates with this card. The art of life is to live in the moment. That is, look for good in your current situation. Maybe Currently things are not working out the way you want it to work, but it's fine, because it's just going to be good for the long run. You see, this person is just he looks to be so sad, but right at the back there is this magical land, this unicorn, standing unicorn. We all know unicorn. It's like a magical creature, right? So you are not seeing that behind the scene. This is kind of the behind the scene. The your plans are working, the universe is working. It's like the universe is ready with your gift. It's just you have to go and receive it. Now you have to go, you have to walk that mile. That universe won't do for you. Now it's your turn to figure out how you are going to walk. So this is pretty positive, guys. Even if you feel like, no, what is it going on, why is it going on, it's actually pretty positive. Also, I just saw something, which is, just a minute. Okay, we have 9 over here, and we have 27, which again rounds up to a 9. So guys, 9 can be an important number for you all, so watch out for 9. Okay, or maybe the 9th month, which is September. That can also be, a significant month for you all. So next up we have our last 2 cards, which is, the first card is the 8th house, which is the card for Jupiter, Scorpio, and the next card is Jupiter. This is the transformational area of your life. It's about shared resources and intense emotion. This 8th house also talks about, deep-rooted things in depth. And along with that, we have Jupiter, which is your confidence, courage, self-belief, luck. Jupiter is also the card for knowledge and, learning and wisdom. So with Jupiter in the 8th house, what I feel is you people are gaining some sort of wisdom about a situation, in depth, in root, which is going to, the transformation that I was talking about, which is going to, be very transformational for you, like the storm that I was talking about, the good storm. So you are actually gaining a lot of wisdom. I think you're doing a big time self-work, and I think something which I keep seeing for you people and hearing for you people is that you guys cannot believe the kind of person you would be at the end of the 3 months. The person that you are now and the person that you are going to be at the end of the 3 months, it's going to be a huge difference. You are going to, when you look back, you will be very stunned to think how far you guys have come in this 3 months. And it's a very overwhelming energy that I'm feeling. It's a very happy energy. It's like you were not being able to climb the mountain, and finally you climbed that mountain, and you were like, I was worrying about this. This was actually easy. I was just wasting time in anxiety and stress. Instead, I could have just, climbed the mountain. It's a very happy energy at the end of the 3 months. This 3 month might be a bit of standstill, things not working out the way you want it to be. Because trust the universe, something way better is coming. And I think you guys are going to get the reward very soon. It's just, and it depends on you, how fast you discover yourself, how fast you, kind of surrender yourself to the universe. So guys, this is the reading for you all. I hope you enjoyed it. Actually, I feel very happy doing this reading. After this reading, it's a very happy, it's kind of a very proud energy, guys. I would like to say that I'm very proud of you all. The universe wants to say that they're going to be very proud of you at the end of the 3 months. And what more is, you are going to be very proud of yourself. So be consistent and be patient. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I also do personal reading below in the description box. I have linked it. Go have a look. If you like this, don't forget to like, share, and comment. I hope you'll stay healthy, and I'll see you all in the next reading. Bye bye. Hi, pile number 2. If you have chosen this shell, this reading is going to be about your 3 months from now. So let's get started. So we have with us this, just a minute, this first card, which is going to give an insight of the overall energy. Like I mentioned in the first file, I'll mention again that this card is not an aesthetic card, it's a handwritten card, but I promise you, whatever it is, it really holds a strong message for you all. So let's see. Okay, so we have believe in yourself. So the message, this is the message which is coming through very strongly, and y'all, this is a very self-explanatory statement that believe in yourself. Be consistent with the belief, with the confidence that you have in yourself. Don't lose it. If you are, strong enough to think that, yeah, this is right, chances are that is right. So, yeah, let's see what we have in store for y'all. Maybe with the coming cards, we'll gain some more insight on why did we receive this. So, we have with us 3 cards. Just a minute. 3 cards. These 3 cards are going to talk about each month from now. So this is the first month, second, and the third. So we have the King of Swords upright, the 7 of Cups reversed, and the 7 of Wands. Okay. So the first and the foremost energy which I'm picking up from this pile is that a time period is coming in your life where you are taking a strong decision on something. You guys are making up your mind and taking a decision for yourself. You guys are standing up for what you think which is right, which goes pretty well with the first card that came, believe in yourself. You guys are actually manifesting this quote in your real life in this coming 3 months. So let's see how. So the first month we have is the King of Swords. So a couple of messages coming through this card. The first and the foremost message that is coming is there is going to be an influential person in your life who is going to help you in gaining clarity in certain situation that you need some suggestion upon. Maybe you are confused, or maybe you're stuck, or maybe you're thinking about certain situation and you are not being able to gain a clarity. This can be a relationship. Okay, it's about to rain. Maybe it's about a relationship, or maybe it's about a career which you're confused about, you don't know, or maybe you have 2 offers and you're not sure which one to opt for. So I see an influential male figure coming to your life and giving you an advice. So if you see in this coming 1 month that a person, who is of a good, position in life, or it can be your father as well, or your brother, coming to you and giving you an advice and saying, ki, go for ABC and don't go for XYZ. Listen to it, consider it, because that is going to help you in the long run. That is going to help you in gaining clarity. Also, the second message that is coming is you people are gaining clarity from within yourself by reflecting on situations, by considering situations, understanding, and that is going to help you in achieving a good position in your life. Maybe in this coming, in the 1 month, you people, since this is a general reading, I can't be 100% sure which message goes to, goes for you. So what I see is uh, you people are actually speaking up. Maybe there was a situation, it can be as minor as a situation where you should have spoken up for yourself, but you didn't. And you are finally speaking up. All this while you were thinking, like, should I say this? Should I not say that? Will that be right? Let's take an instance. It can be as, it's not small, but just for an example, maybe you were having a fight with your partner or someone from your family for quite a lot of time, and you know that is not right, and you're being pushed, like, the limit had been crossed a long back, but still you were keeping quiet, and you were like wondering, like, no, I shouldn't say, that would be disrespectful, that might create chaos. So like, you were keeping, shut. But finally you are speaking up for that. Okay, and the result that it's going to bring for that, it's wonderful. Okay, like, maybe something was happening and you were not saying, but after speaking up you realized that the person with whom you were having the fight, the person couldn't comprehend that this was going on in your mind. And it goes very easy. I don't know if I'm being able to explain it to you, but it's going to be very easy. Like, for example, you're having fight with your boyfriend, let's say, and you were not saying, like, anything, you were keeping shut, and finally you say that, dude, why are you doing this? This is not good, I'm not enjoying it. And you were wondering that if you see this, it's going to end up in a fight. But what happens instead is the person says you, oh, you could have told this earlier, I'm sorry, I didn't know that was hurting you. It can be this easy. So whatever it is, even for your career, maybe you were wondering, like, if you should pitch your idea or not, if you should say or not. You were not getting that, pressure. And this is where this belief in yourself comes, and finally you're like, chuck it, I'm going to say. You say, and people actually, admires your idea, takes your idea. So the outcome, whatever it is, it's going to be very good. So this 1 month, it's going to be breaking out from that confusion zone and going to that clarity zone, so which is pretty good. So coming up to the next month, that is the second month, I see you all are making a lot of choices, as in, see, I think these two cards are connected right now. That is, after gaining clarity, you people are actually taking up a decision. Maybe the two offers that you were confused about, you're finally taking that one, you're sticking to that one. And also for few of y'all, it might be like, you want to do something but you're not getting much option for that, or you people were like delusional about something, and finally things are coming into light and you are like, okay, this is how things should have been. So the month from now, it's going to be the month where you are sticking to one option. You're not beating around the bushes, you're not looking for options, you're not looking for hope anywhere. Instead, you are working for one thing, or you're discovering that one thing which is important for you. Maybe you were waiting for one calling, you were not understanding, like, if this is right for you or not. And for few of you, I even hear that you are going to receive some sort of, signs from your universe or your guides, or you're going to understand that, okay, like, this is something which I should do. Like, for example, you were not happy with your job and you were wondering, like, what should I do? Yeah, I know one thing for sure, that I'm not happy in this job, but there must be some other option that I should go for. But what is that other option? And finally you're like sitting one fine day and you get that download in your head that, okay, I can consider this and I can go for this, right? So that is what I see in the next month. And the third month, it's going to be a fight with you versus you. Okay, it's like a fight which doesn't have any reality. Okay, like, I hope I'm being able to explain it. It's like a kind of a chaos that is going on in your mind, which is why you are wondering, like, okay, did I make the right decision? Did I take the right decision? So that is what I see for the third month. But what I can say is, it's fine to not think that way, because whatever it is, whatever decision you have taken is right, and it's fine. you know, when you choose a path which is completely new and you are like so confidently you choose one path, the self-doubt moments do come, but don't let that moment, kind of take a toll on you. Don't let that happen to you. So this third month, why is this card coming? I feel that this card is coming because it's kind of wants to give you a beforehand notice that don't let this negative self-doubt come into your mind. Okay, don't let all this make you reconsider all those moments of clarity, moments of confidence that you had. Because whatever you had taken, whatever decision you had taken, it's fine, because you finally came to a conclusion for some reason. Don't let all those go into, the drain. Don't let that happen. So watch out for that. And also, if someone comes and kind of says something to you, don't indulge into anything, even if it might not be like something that you wanted to hear. Because I feel there are people who is trying to kind of trigger you for some reason to derive some sort of fun or something. Don't let that happen. Okay. Or also, for few of you, a message that is coming through very strongly, that is, don't indulge into any sort of fight with someone online or on social media, because I think that might lead to a bit of instability in you. That might be fun and all, but the result might not be that much great. Okay, so watch out for that. Do not indulge into useless fights which has the potential to take away your peace of mind. So let's go to our two more cards. One card is going to be about your relationship, and the other card is going to be about your career in the next 3 months. This is the relationship one, and this is the career one. So for the relationship one, we have the 5 of Cups in reverse, which is a very good card. So the first energy that I'm picking up, which is for few of you, is all this while you were ignoring a connection, or you ignoring someone who has the potential to be with you, to grow into a wonderful relationship. I think you people were ignoring someone big time, or someone was ignoring you big time, and finally is realizing, okay, this is the one whom I should be with, this is the one whom I should give a chance, and what am I doing even? So this 3 month, this is coming up very strongly, that maybe this is what you are discovering for yourself. And for few of you, you might be crying over an ex for no reason, and then finally you see the gift that the situation had for you, the kind of positivity the breakup brought into your life. Okay, and for few of you, what I feel is you guys are finally going to discover what you want in a relationship. What do you want out of a relationship? All this while you had been thinking like, why do I always get into toxic relationship? Why is it that every relationship that I get into doesn't come off that well? You're finally going to realize, because this is the reason. I want this, but I fall for people who are this, which are obviously not aligned. That is why things don't work out. So for relationship, it's a very positive thing. And I also feel that, like I mentioned, you might, it's kind of an energy I'm picking up is like you're talking to someone for a long time, but you're not really thinking anything, and then finally a situation occurs and you're like, okay, I liked him all this long, or I liked her all this long, and I didn't even know. So this is the kind of energy that I'm picking up. And for the career, it's amazing. It's amazing card to come up. 10 of Pentacles. What more can I say about this? You are attracting abundance, you're attracting stability, you're attracting security. It's a wonderful card to come up. Believe in yourself. See, believing in yourself is bringing you to the 10 of Pentacles energy. Just believe in yourself. Okay, also I just noticed something. You guys are having all the 4 suits You have air, you have water, you have fire. Now you have this earth as well. I think this is a time period that you're entering where it's going to be very fulfilling in your life, where you're going to achieve everything in your life if you could believe in yourself and trust your intuition. So big energy for you, pile number 2. You guys are attracting abundance. I don't have to get into that anymore. It's amazing. It's a brilliant card to come up. So the next two cards is Archangel Raphael. See, it just came. Healing and abundance are coming to you. Just the summation of these two cards. Healing and abundance. Abundance, of course, coming career wise, and healing. I mean, it's perfect. You guys are healing. Like I said, few of you are finding the silver lining, right, into a relationship, like, or a breakup that you were stuck into or hung up in. That's amazing. And wisdom, act with wisdom and people will respect you. Of course, you guys are gaining wisdom that is going to help you into all this. So it's amazing. It's big energy for you all, pile 2. It's amazing. So the next two cards is we have the Venus and Virgo. Okay, Virgo is the card where, let me just read. The energy around you is dutiful, hesitant, and humble, with a discriminating, diligent, and painstaking air. It's fine. Virgo is a kind of like the energy which is a very self-disciplined energy, which is a very critical. It's one of the most critical of all the 12 signs in astrology. So I think you guys are being very, very critical on yourself, of course, and I think that is what is helping you in discovering yourself. You guys are also in the 3 months, I see you guys are also following a pattern for yourself. You guys are making routine for yourself, a checklist for yourself, like, I'm going to wake up, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. Also, I feel that for few of you, you guys are also, kind of walking out, doing physical exercises or yoga, or even reading good books. Somehow whatever you're doing, it's contributing to your mental and physical health big time. Your family life is also improving. And Venus also, it's a kind of luxury, beauty, desires, success. So with Venus, I see you guys are, this self-discipline is helping you to bring out the beauty inside you. It's also giving you the chance to enjoy luxury in life. You guys are also enjoying some good times, some good moments with your loved ones, with your near and dear ones. Also, Virgo is the 6th house. This first card is 6. What else numbers? We have 2, 5, 32, which sums up to 5 of cups. We have 2, 7, 1, 10, 1, 4. Oh, that's nice. 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. Watch out for 5, 6, 7, guys. It's going to be an important time. Also 5, 6, 7 months, that is May, June, July. This can also be a very important time period. So watch out for that. So we are at the end of your reading. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to book a personal reading, in the description box there is the link. You can go there. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you at my next reading. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Hi, group number 3. If you have chosen this pile, this reading is going to be for you. So this is the shell that you have picked up. So guys, I cannot hold my excitement. I swear, pile number 3. Let me tell you all, even before starting the reading, while I was shuffling the cards, I don't know what to say. This is the most positive pile among all the 3, and it's positive in a massive way, guys. So before even starting the reading, I want to say one thing to you all, which is congratulations, group 3. You guys are going to hear a big news on something or the other. So let's get into details on this reading. So the first card we have with you all is the card that is going to give us an insight on your current situation. Of course, this is not an aesthetic card. This is my handwritten card, but I promise you, this card holds meaning and value. And we have bravo, you're on the right track. Guys, I told you even before starting this reading, I don't know, there is no point in going in details with this reading. It's like hands down, guys, you guys are going to be big in this 3 months. It's huge. It's so much energy is flowing inside me right now. I don't know, I'm going to express so much of, I already feel so overwhelmed with all the success that you guys are going to receive. So I don't even have to explain this, guys. You are on the right track. Just chill. Netflix and chill. No need to worry right now. You guys are doing perfect right now. Okay, so we have with us this first 3 cards. These 3 cards are going to give us an insight on this 3 cards is going to give us an insight on the 3 months. This is the first, second and the third. So let's see what we have. We have the Sun, the King of Cups, and the Two of Wands in reversed. Okay, guys, so the first card, the Sun. This is my favorite card from the entire deck of tarot. This card shows about positivity and everything. Okay, I know this is going to drag a bit, but I want to share a story with you. There was a point in my life when things weren't really going the way I wanted it to go. But whenever I used to do tarot readings on myself, I always used to get this Sun card. And I used to question myself, like, why do I keep on getting this card? I mean, I don't see anything going that great in my life. But why is it so? Trust me, guys, after 2 or 4 months, I realized why this card came up. The situation which I was into, which wasn't great for me, turned out to be the biggest blessing of my life. Whoever I am today, right now, whatever I am doing, it's because of that phase. And that is why this card is one of my most favorite card. So guys, I don't know how much y'all can relate with me right now, but for the ones who think that they are not exactly doing great in their life, or they don't see the positivity in the current situation, trust me, you have no idea where this is going to take you to in your life. It's going to shape you in a way you can't even imagine. 1 month from now, it's like this massive energy which is coming for you all. It's going to take you to the place where you haven't imagined. It's going to give you everything that you deserve and more than what you deserve. So 1 month from now, of course, you guys are going to get some sort of recognition or whatever it is. Even if something goes wrong in this 1 month, trust me, it's only for your greater good, and no good can beat the good that is going to come in your life. So 1 month from now, it's a very happy card. And if you ask me about your relationship, your finances, your career, your spirituality, whatever it is, it's going to be very great for you. So guys, keep up the energy that you all have, keep up the good work that you are doing. It's going to take you in a very good place. You see this child, it's enjoying its ride at this horseback. It's just so happy, living in the moment. You guys do that. You guys have done your hard work. Now it's time for you to get that reward. 1 month from now, 1 month here, you guys are going to get the reward. You guys are going to get what you guys deserve. So the second month, it's the King of Cups. Now I get 2 prominent messages here. I can hear 2 possibilities in this situation. Of course, this is a general reading, so I can't say which one is specific to which one. You can judge that for yourself. Also guys, I do personal reading. In case you want a personal reading, in the description box the link is mentioned. Y'all can go over there. Anyway, so for few of y'all, what I see is there is going to be a person who is entering your life romantically. who is going to be very emotionally matured and emotionally very, very, very good, and it's going to make you feel very fulfilled in life. It's going to make you feel very happy about yourself. It's going to show you things which you weren't seeing for yourself. It's going to make you feel very content, and happy and matured. Very emotional maturity is coming. And for the rest of y'all, what I see is you people are actually entering a emotional matured phase where you guys are going to be very content. I think these two cards are very much connected with all the achievements, which everything that you guys are receiving. You guys are not getting carried away or overwhelmed. You see, there's this flow of river, but the leg you see of the king is still on this brick, in this solid foundation. It's not with the flow, which means he is there. I mean, he is not flowing with the success that he has got. He is very strong in his ground. He knows that yes, he has achieved whatever it is supposed to be, achieved, but he shouldn't get carried away with that. So it's a very big time energy. For few of y'all, you guys are also, taking care of yourself, maybe, treating yourself with something amazing, giving yourself some good treat, like good wine maybe for yourself, or it can be as minimum as making a good masala tea for yourself and enjoying it. So whatever it is, you guys are going to provide yourself with some sort of pleasure in your life, and it's a very good energy. It's a very soothing energy. It's a very well balanced energy. So whatever it is, I don't see any chaos going on in life. It's a very soothing energy, so it's good. So with the last card, of this 3 months, we have the Two of Wands in reversed. So with this card, I think this card comes with a little warning for you all. This card is more of an advice for you all on the 3rd month, and which is, don't worry so much about what is going to happen next. Okay, just be in the moment, enjoy whatever you guys have already received. Do not waste your time and bring in stress, anxiety for no reason. Just be in the moment, enjoy wherever you are. You guys are really at a very good place. Enjoy that. There is no need to worry about what is going to happen next, how it is going to happen next, when will it happen next. No need to worry about all that. Just stay in the moment, be happy for what you have received, and enjoy the moment. Also, for few of you, I received that for few of you, I feel that there can be some sort of issue with some travel plans. If you guys are having any traveling plans or something, it might not be very pleasant to hear, but I would suggest you all to reconsider it. Okay, because there can be some sort of issues related to travel plans. Watch out for that. Do not make any traveling plans. Also, with the COVID situation, it's pretty obvious that everything is uncertain, but yeah, watch out for that. So this is kind of a disclaimer. So let's see the next 2 cards that we have for you all. This one card is going to be about your relationship, and this card is going to be about your career. So let's talk about the Tower card, which represents your relationship status or your love life in the coming 3 months. So this comes with few messages. Okay, the first message is there is going to be some sort of revelation in your relationship. Okay, see, I'm no one to say if that is going to help you keep the relationship or that is going to ignite a separation or something like that. I'm no one to say that totally depends on you, and that's your decision. But there might be a situation in your relationship which might shake you up, which might make you reconsider certain things in your relationship, which might not be that great, or something which you were trying to avoid in a relationship for a long time, that might come into light. It can be from anyone's end, it can be from your partner's end or your end as well. And for the next message that I'm getting is, some of you may be trying to avoid your feelings or emotions for someone, or holding it. This, I feel this can also be for some family members or your friendship or something like that. You were holding back feelings and it's suddenly coming, it's outbursting. Okay, it can even be a romantic feeling for someone that is coming into light. It's now it doesn't have to be in a negative way, it can also be in a positive way. Like, you're just not enjoying it anymore, like keeping it within you, and suddenly some situation happens and you're pushed in a way that you confess your feeling. Okay, and for few of you, this can also be like you realizing certain things about yourself, like certain shadow work or something that might shake you off, and that might, be good for your future. But for the moment, that might be like, okay, maybe let me give you an example. It can be like you were having feelings for someone, and then you were like, something happens and you realize that, okay, this is not right, maybe this is not the correct person for me, and it all happens within you. Okay, and you come up to a decision, which is a decision which you cannot imagine standing right now. You cannot imagine at the end of the 3 months, this is the decision, or this is something that is going to happen to you. Okay, for the career one, what we have is the star card, which is also another positive card. So guys, career wise, this 3 months is going to be very, very, very significant months of your life. This card talks about the wish coming true, the recognition, the rewards that you get. So guys, in the coming 3 months, you are going to get, whatever you're going to get career wise, it's going to kind of exceed what you were wishing for, what you were wanting for. It's going to give you something way, way, way better than whatever you were thinking of getting, or whatever you were wishing for. For the students also, like if you're waiting for a result and you were like thinking that I'll get maybe 5 out of 10, you guys are getting 10 out of 10. So you can understand, right? Or for some of you, if you were like just wishing for promotion, you guys are not only getting promotion, you guys are also getting a hike in your salary. So this 3 months, it's going to be a very good month for each one of you all. If you're looking for business, looking for investment, looking for you like schooling, college, whatever it is, hands down, it's going to be amazing for you all. So next up, we have 2 more cards that's going to talk about 3 months from now. So we have future. Let go of the past and move forward. So I don't think there is any letting go of the past and it's just about moving forward. Letting go of the past as in let go of the time when you used to think that you cannot achieve it. It's just you are walking to a path which is full of success and recognition and rewards. Your hard work is paying off. So guys, get used to all that praises, all that rewards that you're going to receive. And also it's an 11, which is a magic number. So yeah, just this is talks about it. And the next card is openings. A new door is opening for you. Isn't it pretty obvious already over here that you guys are going to get a new opportunity or a new anything that you're looking for? Oh guys, this is 22. Amazing. Which is another magic number. This is 11, 22. I don't know what to say. I didn't notice this before. Pile 3, come back to my reading and tell me after the end of the 3 months what all y'all have achieved. I'll be waiting to hear back from you all, trust me. Let's see what are the other numbers that we have. We have 17 and we have 19. So 17, 19, and this is 16. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. 8, 9, 19. Okay. Watch out for these cards also. I mean these dates also. These dates can also be very prominent in your life in this coming 3 months. So it's amazing. Let's see what the next two cards have for you. We have a planet card and we have a house card. The house card is the 10th house, guys. The 10th house in our birth chart rules the house of our workplace, our work, our recognition, our public image, and everything. Okay, it your achievements and status in the outside world. It shows about it, like it's the Capricorn house. I mean, 10th house, this is like the house of your workplace, your government, and everything. And we have my favorite, and soon going to be your favorite, Sun, the immortal spirit, purpose, destiny involved. And guys, Sun in the 10th house, if you know astrology, you would know this is one of the best placement one can ever have in their birth chart. Sun in the 10th house talks about authority, the CEOs of the MNCs, of the big business people. These people have Sun in their 10th house, and Sun coming in the 10th house is a big time energy that you're going to go to a very good place in your life. I told you, group 3, while I was doing, shuffling the cards, the energy that was flowing in, it's huge. And also one message for the people who are trying for government job or something, this is the prime time of their life. Sun in the 10th house also talk about getting yourself placed in a very good position in government job, some government recognition. And for the business people, for the school people, you guys are going to get recognized. I mean, it's very positive. Career wise, you guys are going to be at a very good place at the end of the 3 months. Trust me, guys, if you're wondering right now that I'm working hard, I'll get whatever I deserve for all this hard work, trust me, the answer is yes. This is the biggest affirmation that you guys can have. Just keep on doing. Just remember, bravo, you're on the right track. Just keep on doing whatever you guys are doing, and you're going to go to a place you could have never imagined. It's going to reward you. Universe is there. Universe is watching whatever it's going. This can be a bit shaky. My camera is shaking. Okay. Sorry guys for that. So universe is going to give you back 5 times of whatever you desire or what you truly deserve. So guys, we are at the end of the reading. If you enjoyed this reading, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next reading. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.